Hi everyone, Anita here, more time to chalk. I'm going to do a DIY gnome ornament just using some thick jute string from the Dollar Tree store and this rope. And you can also get two different sizes of half beads at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to use the big one. So I did this one here, but I'm going to make the beard a little thicker. And I'm going to show you how to do this, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is do a knot. And this is about 5 inches folded. So then I'm going to hold this like this. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit of a glue there at the tip. I'm going to just wait. I'm going to fold this around 4 times, okay? Nice and tight. And then I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to glue it in the back. Now make sure it's nice and tight. Now I'm going to put some glue along the edge over here, and you kind of want to tuck that end in there. Okay, so here's my knot, okay? You can make this however height that you want. Okay, so you want that little end right there. Okay, so then I cut, it is a little long, 7 inches, and I want, when you unroll it and cut it, it comes in 3 pieces. So I'm going to take 2, because that one there was just the one. I'm going to take a smaller thread, and I'm going to tie the center of that. I'm going to put that tight. What I want to do is unthread this, so you're going to comb it. So I have like a little brush. I'm going to just comb that all out. If you have macrame thread, you can use that. Okay, and now what I want to do is cut the beard to a length that I need. So you're giving it a haircut. Okay. Glue that on the bottom. I'm going to take my bead. So there you have your little gnome ornament. I really hope that inspires you to make one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.